sorry, am I late? I was signing some contracts at the White House. Hello, my name is Abraham Lincoln. I was born on February 12, 1809 in a log cabin in Hunt County, Kentucky. My nickname is Honest Abe because I am so truthful and honest and never lied. I am most known and responsible for freeing the slaves. On January 1st, 1863, I delivered the Emancipation Proclamation that said all slaves in the Confederacy would be freed. I am the 16th President of the United States. I was assassinated by John Wilkes Booth in the Fort Sumter on Good Friday, April 14th, 1865. I was laid unconscious in a room of a nearby boarding house. Because I am so tall, they had to lay me diagonal on the bed to fit me on there. I died on April 15th, 1865 at the age of 56. My face is on the penny and the $5 bill. A huge statue of my likeness sits within the Lincoln Memorial in Washington, D.C. Thank you very much, and God bless the United States.